Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. Take your time to browse through my channel, watch my training videos, make sure you learn the strategies and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Okay, that means you need to practice very well on your demo account before you start using it on your real account. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe, please do so right away. These are the assets we will be checking out right here, and of course everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have right here, and of course we will be starting with boom 1000. Okay, so guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator, and of course this went on uptrend right from this support zone, and of course the trend actually came to an end at this resistance zone, so it started the downtrend right from there. That is why you are seeing the red flag and the red arrow, which came to an end at this support zone, and of course it was unable to break out below this, and it started an uptrend right now with this blue arrow and the yellow flag. Okay, so this is buying at the moment, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500. It started an uptrend right from here, and it came to an end at this resistance zone, and right from this resistance zone it started a downtrend, and it is still selling at the moment, so this is still going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Okay, this is crash 1000. Crash 1000 started an uptrend from here, got to this region and played around there for a while, but it later went back there to break out above the resistance zone to get to this particular resistance zone. So it had a pullback, but it was unable to go further than this. Okay, so it's trying to go back to try out this resistance zone. If it's unable to break out from there, it will go back into a downtrend fully, but if it breaks out from there, it will keep on buying. But for now, this is still buying. Okay, this might not be for long, most especially if it's unable to break out from that resistance zone. Okay, so you should take note of that. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 500. Crash 500 actually went on uptrend, got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out from there, had a pullback, and of course went back there, and of course it is at the resistance zone at the moment. If it's unable to break out from there, it will go back into a downtrend, but if it breaks out, it will keep on buying. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. This might not be for long, most especially if it's unable to break out from that resistance zone. Okay, so we are most likely to have a sell trend if it's unable to break out from there. Okay, the next asset is going to be volatility 75. This is volatility 75. It's been on uptrend right from here, and of course it has got into this resistance zone, and if it's unable to break out from there, then it will go back on buy on sell trend, but if it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. So wait for the trend to see if it's going to be going on downtrend or on uptrend. So this is very important, so wait for the breakout. Okay, wait for the breakout to happen. Either it goes above the resistance zone, but if it does not, then definitely it should sell. Okay, so this is very important, so you guys should understand all these and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. I will be stopping right there. Remember, this is coming to you called Qora Digital Cash, and of course if you are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, and of course make sure you practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you have any question at all, kindly give me contact me on WhatsApp, or you drop your questions within the comment section. Okay, I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.